Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make twins effect on CapCut apps. First, open CapCut and click new project. Import the video that you want to edit and then click add. After that, you can select the layer of the main video and make 2 copies of the video, 1 and 2. Okay, now we have a 3 video layer, and select the second layer and change to the overlay. Now set the position like this. Now select the third video and do the same thing. Change to the overlay. Now set the position like this. Now select the second layer and click remove background. Okay, now add a keyframe at the start and move a little bit and set another keyframe over here and drag the position of the video like this. Don't forget to change the layer until the video look like this. Change the position. Okay, I think it's enough, and do the same thing to the third layer. Remove the background. Okay, now add a keyframe at the start and okay, add another keyframe and drag the position of the video like this. And now you have 2 twins at your video, and this is the result. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.